Adora, Adora, Adora. Hey yo! And where he at? Where my man's at? Hey gems, it's your girl Miss Jemima, and we are back at it again with another video on a second channel. Are we back at it again? I almost pushed this video because I wanted this to be like a cute aesthetic situation. Like, oh yeah, guys, like ooh. I wanted this to be like a cutesy aesthetic meal prep video. It's not giving that because I'm rushing. And you know what? That's real life. That's real tea. And the point is that no matter what's happening, I gotta eat. I gotta eat, okay? Not just in my looks, but also in my estomach, okay? And just because I'm booked and busy, just because things didn't go to plan like I wanted them to this week, don't mean that the show stops, okay? So we're gonna do what I like to do. Finer English, thank you. We're gonna do what I like to call a rush prep, which is when I just stop giving up. I just don't give a, and I just be throwing anything anywhere. I'm just trying to get it done and get her out, okay? Ironically enough, I sometimes have come out with the best tasting meals doing this. So fingers crossed that'll be the case today. So anyways, we're gonna keep it simple. We have ground turkey, chicken thighs, okay? Like I said, we're keeping it simple, so we're doing salads for dinner. And chicken breast has the best macros, okay? For the amount of calories that you're getting, the best amount of protein, it has all the things, but it also has the dryness. Now, can I finesse a chicken breast? You saw the rhymes, you saw the bars, you felt it. Yes, I can, but if I'm having a salad, like, I want to fully enjoy that salad, and that means chicken thigh, okay? And I'm not having any carbs with my salads, so I want all the calories to come from the chicken, and that's what it's gonna do. Yeah, so this has 22 grams of protein per serving, and it's like, what, 4 ounces? Let me see. Yeah, 4 ounces, 130 calories. Not bad at all. But if it was chicken breast, it would have been like 110, 60,000 grams of protein. Like, I'm being dramatic, but still. But anyways, y'all know chicken thigh just tastes better, so. It is what it is. I'm gonna throw some roasted potatoes in the oven. It's so simple, but like low-key so good. But also I've figured out I'm basic. I've realized I'm basic. I lick a potato under the oven, and like literally I'm so excited to eat it. I don't know what it is, but when it's crispy on the outside and soft on the inside, and you put a little seasoning on it, it's like, it's so good to me. So that's what we finna do, okay? Are we on slow-mo? Don't play with me. Don't play with me. Oh no, we're good. And it's kind of dark. I'm so sorry. Put the light on. Adora, Adora, Adora. I really want to play that song right now. YouTube copyright is a hater. Hater, potato. I'm so sorry, y'all. When I tell y'all this is gonna be quick and to the point, itty gritty, ain't gonna be no cutesy nothing. You see what it is. And welcome to Miss Jemima Gets Fit. Yeah. I get them already cut up. Is that nasty work? Yes. Do I pay way more than I actually should or need to? Yes, but also is it convenient and do I save time? Yeah. Yeah. And my time is what? Expensive. Thank you so much. Literally dump her out. Also, I feel like they kind of played. Like, these are big chunks. Where the rest of the potatoes at? But it's fine, I guess. I do have some potatoes, like regular red potatoes, in the fridge. This morning I had a breakfast burrito. It was actually quite delicious, so I might keep doing that or make burrito bowls. Ooh, tasty. You know what? Anyway, so yeah, just give it a little spray. All right, that's enough. And then hit it with a little seasoning. A little seasoning. Yeah, usually they don't cut them this big, so I'm. Oh, Jeez. I feel like I can't even. Whoever did this, y'all. I was about to say y'all lazy bastards, but who's really lazy? Them or me? Who's really? Actually, no. I'm supposed to, you, cause you already at work doing this. I buy this so that I can get back to her. Whatever helps me sleep at night. Cheers. In the oven you go. I just love a little sweet potato. Just real simple and easy. Now I'm about to clean the chicken and take off the fat. And I've been noticing a lot of people like not removing the fat. And I don't know, it grosses me out. But culturally, I was just raised, you clean the chicken. Like I don't, and not just the vinegar, lemon wash, whatever, but you take off the fat, you take off all the things, and people don't be doing that, and they be on the internet, on Beyonce's internet, just cooking a chicken like that, and I just, why are we doing that? So I'm gonna clean my chicken. What you do in your household is between you and the Lord. But for me and mine, we're gonna clean. Yeah.
She cool Transfer. It's gonna take 30 days to process. Touch your drawers. What happens to me when they die?
Editing Jemima here. Not too much on your girl. Yo, I was tired. I was beat. And I intended to pick up the next day and just things just didn't work out. And that's the theme of not only this video or this channel, but of my life. Things don't work out the way you plan for them to work out. And so you shift, you pivot. And this is the pivot. Editing Jemima here is pivoting for you to let you know that, yeah, that was a cutesy little meal prep. Like I said, it was a quick one and done situation, nothing special. I also had frozen rice in the fridge, which is why all I prepped that night was the sweet potatoes. So I was making rice bowls. I had tortillas in the fridge. I was making little tacos. And like I said, I had some leftover potatoes in the fridge. So I was making like potato and chicken bowls. I'm making potato and ground turkey bowls. Yeah, and so that was that. And of course, as I predicted, the first thing to go was the sweet potatoes, because something about baked sweet potatoes, like real simple and easy, just does it for me every time. Yeah, so quite the boring meal prep, but it is very realistic. And yeah, let me know if you guys still want these super realistic meal preps, because not every week is gonna be a slam dunk. or if you just want the spicy, cutesy, aesthetic-y ones. Let me know in the comments below. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Toodles. Not ending that video was crazy. I didn't even say bye. Babes, I went upstairs and went to sleep.